guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is RJ Monica and I am at Pondicherry. I hope you guys must have seen my other Pondicherry vlogs. If not, I'm linking all the links in the description. Do watch that and start watching this video. In this video, we are traveling to the place Chidambaram, which is about 60 km from Pondicherry, and we are going to try camping and kayaking over there. For the commute, we have taken this bike rental because there is no public transport to reach out the camping site. As usual, if you're new here or before getting into the video, please do subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon for more such video. And now it's time for a bike ride. After an epic ride on the road for about 1.5 hours, we reached the camping site. While waiting for the other members, we took some beautiful photos and also we relaxed peacefully at this wonderful spot. I have linked the details of this campsite in the description. Do check out if you need that. Now, and finally I'm going to kayak. I had this introduction session and now we are going to kayak. in the middle of the kayaking right now. I'm very happy to do this because hi, he's my trainer. Manoj. So I have to thank Manoj for this experience. First time I'm doing the kayaking thing, but I'm very amazed to see my results, because initially when they told us about this instruction and all, I was very afraid of doing this. And when I started doing this, it was so good for me. In a very relaxing way, I did this, so I was happy about that. So here, I kayak.